Buying an immersion blender seems simple until you start reading reviews. Wattage, build quality, blade design, attachments. Confused yet? Here's the truth. Under $50, there are some surprisingly powerful options, and also a lot of junk that breaks, stalls, or can't even blend soup properly. Stick around till the end, because I'll show you what most buyers get wrong and help you pick the best blender that offers power, durability, and real value. Chapters are in the description, but don't skip. One of these could save you money and frustration. When shopping for an immersion blender under $50, the first thing to check is motor power, ideally at least 200 to 300 watts. That's enough to blend soups, sauces, or baby food without overheating or stalling. Next, look at the build quality. Go for a model with a stainless steel blending shaft, not just plastic. It's more durable, safer for hot liquids, and easier to clean. You'll also want 2 speed settings or variable speed control for better precision, especially when switching between soft and tough ingredients. If you plan on using it for smoothies or chopping nuts, choose a model that includes attachments like a whisk, beaker, or mini food processor. For convenience, check that the shaft detaches easily for cleaning and that the parts are dishwasher safe. Finally, stick to well-reviewed brands that offer US warranty support, especially if you're ordering online. In this video, I've shortlisted the 5 best immersion blenders under $50 that you can buy from Amazon with the links in the description below. Ever try making soup and end up with splatter everywhere? Or worse, chunky smooth sauces? The MasterChef Immersion Blender aims to fix that. Backed by the name behind the TV series, this hand blender packs a punch with a 400-watt motor that's surprisingly powerful for its size. Whether you're pureeing baby food, whipping up smoothies, or blitzing hearty soups right in the pot, this handheld tool gets the job done fast and with smooth, even results. The variable speed control lets you dial in the texture, whether you're going for silky or slightly chunky. It's intuitive, just turn the dial up or down as you go. Made of professional-grade stainless steel, it feels solid in hand, and the stainless steel blades handle both soft and tough ingredients with ease. Customers love how easily it blends sauces and soups, noting the results are consistently smooth with minimal effort. Cleaning is another high point. The detachable blending leg pops off and goes straight into the dishwasher. No mess, no stress. The electronic top isn't waterproof, but it wipes clean with a damp cloth. Now, it's not all perfect. While many praise its sleek design and solid performance, others found the instructions unclear or the build quality lacking long-term. A few users reported it broke after some months, so it might not be your forever blender. Great for casual cooks, small family, or anyone who wants quick, no-fuss blending. Need a powerful blender that doesn't take up space or time? The Mueller Immersion Blender handheld might be just the ticket. With a 500-watt motor, it may be compact, but don't let that fool you. It's got enough power to blend, whisk, and froth like a champ. Whether you're whipping up a smoothie, beating eggs, or foaming milk for your morning latte, this handheld blender is designed to make the job fast and simple. It comes with 3 handy attachments: a stainless steel blending shaft for soups, shakes, and baby food, a frother for all milk types, and a whisk for batters and whipped cream. Swapping attachments is easy with the Quick Connect design. You also get turbo mode when you need that extra power burst, perfect for tougher ingredients. The ergonomic grip with a non-slip handle gives you control, and the blade housing is shaped to reduce splashing. At just 2 pounds, it's lightweight enough for extended use without strain. While the motor body should be wiped clean, the blending shaft, whisk, and frother attachments are dishwasher safe, making cleanup easier than you'd expect. What customers say? They find it powerful and versatile, with great speed options and easy-to-change attachments. Many appreciate its dishwasher-safe parts and call it good value for the money. However, feedback on build quality is mixed. Some users report durability issues after a few uses, while others find it well-made. But you also get a 1-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Who should buy it? Budget-conscious home cooks and smoothie fans who want a simple, space-saving tool. Check the latest prices using the links in the description. If you're looking for a powerhouse tool that can handle everything from soups to smoothies without taking over your whole kitchen, this 3-in-1 immersion blender might just be your new favorite gadget. With an impressive 1,100-watt full copper motor, it blends, whisks, and froths like a pro, whether you're tackling thick soups or whipping up a protein shake. What really stands out is the one-hand trigger speed control. Just a quick squeeze lets you adjust speed on the fly. Super handy when you're multitasking or working with hot ingredients. The set includes a stick blender, egg whisk, and milk frother, perfect for everything from fluffy whipped cream to to creamy lattes. Switching attachments is easy with the snap-on design. Built from food-grade stainless steel and BPA-free materials, it's safe to use even with hot ingredients. The bell-shaped base and nylon blade guard protect your cookware while reducing splatter. At just 2 pounds, it's light enough for everyday use, and cleanup is a breeze. Pop the attachments in the dishwasher and wipe down the body. Here's what users like. They appreciate its ease of use, particularly the controls. The appliance features strong metal parts and is effective at blending tough ingredients. Customers praise its versatility as a multitasking kitchen tool, and they find it simple to clean with dishwasher-safe attachments. And with a 1-year quality guarantee and 24-hour customer service, there's peace of mind built right in. Who should buy it? Home cooks, smoothie fans, and anyone who loves a good multitasker. For the latest prices, check the links in the description. Now we have a compact kitchen tool that packs serious power. The KOIOS 5-in-1-hand Immersion Blender might be just what you need. With a 1000-watt upgraded copper motor, this little dynamo handles everything from smoothies to soups and even tougher jobs like chopping nuts or meats. It's built to last, too. The copper motor offers up to 3 times longer life than standard ones, and it runs with impressively low noise for its power level. Whether you're whipping cream, making baby food, or blending a post-workout shake, the KOIOS gives you option. The 12 variable speeds plus a turbo boost button let you switch from gentle to full blast in seconds. The stainless steel blades cut through even hard ingredients with ease, while the anti-splash design keeps things neat. Weighing just 400 grams, under 1 pound, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver. The ergonomic handle adds comfort, and all detachable parts are dishwasher safe. Just rinse under the tap or toss them in. Storage is simple too, thanks to its compact size and hanging hook. What customers say? They find it powerful and well-made, easy to operate with one hand, and simple to clean and store. One called it a space saver, and others highlighted its great value for the money. With a 2-year limited warranty and 24-hour customer service, it's a worry-free buy. Who should buy it? Anyone short on space but big on kitchen projects. Don't forget, all the best buying links are in the description. If you're after serious blending muscle in your kitchen, this corded Immersion Blender set delivers the punch you need. Powered by a robust 1100-watt full copper motor, it doesn't mess around, blending soups, sauces, smoothies, and even protein powders into silky smooth textures in seconds. Whether you're prepping baby food or whipping up a post-workout shake, this tool handles it all with ease. The variable speed trigger is a standout. Instead of fiddling with buttons, you just squeeze to adjust, giving you full control over everything from gentle emulsifying to high-speed pureeing, all while minimizing splatter. And thanks to the food-grade nylon blade guard, your non-stick cookware stays scratch-free, even during intense blending sessions. Weighing 3.2 pounds, it's a bit heavier than average, but the ergonomic, non-slip grip keeps it comfortable and secure in hand. Cleanup is a breeze. Attachments detach with one click and are dishwasher safe, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing. Comes with UL safety approval, BPA-free components, and lifelong tech support. Just avoid using it on hard frozen fruits or ice cubes for too long to protect the motor. Here's what customers say. They find this Immersion Blender powerful and versatile, able to blend everything from soups to smoothies in seconds. It's handy for daily kitchen tasks, with easy-to-clean detachable parts and precise speed control using the variable trigger. It's also appreciated for its solid build quality and is seen as good value for money. Who should buy it? Busy home cooks, protein shake fans, and anyone who wants power and control. Check the links below for the latest prices. I hope this helped you find the best Immersion Blender for your kitchen. Want something with more power and versatility? Then don't miss our video on the best full-size blenders under $100. Perfect for bigger batches and tough